I have a 1f99-1292 Rheem communicating thermostat for an AC-only system. The wires are C equals blue, R equals red, 2 equals black and 1 equals white. No other posts are labeled. I want a wire for a nest. Not sure where the white and black wires would go under a standard nest wiring solution.
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
Specific to the thermostat.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I'd like to.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I'm running my boiler W radiators already on the nest next to it with the RH equals red and the W1 equals white. I'd like to reduce to just one nest thermostat. Photos attached.
Hello, that thermostat you have is a very special type, called a two-way communicating thermostat. The Nest is not at all compatible with it. If want the wireless feature, you will need that special thermostat from Rheem. I can help you find that if you wish. My goal is to give you the best experience possible. Our Otting will not increase your charges, but it is how I earn a living. If you need more assistance, please use the reply box and let me know.
Which Rheem thermostats are compatible with it? With Wi-Fi capability and would allow me to combine the heating system.
Combining the heating system is not a problem with those thermostats. Any that say Wi-Fi and communicating will work if you tell me whether you have a heat pump system where the outside unit runs in the winter for heat, or not. I can be more specific. With these communicating thermostats, you should have the dealer install it for and do the programming. It's not much of a do-it-yourself type project. If you tell me which direction you are from the center of the nearest to or city, I will locate a well-rated Rheem dealer for you.
Okay. Thank you.
You are welcome. To close the question, just select the Finish and Rate Your Expert link near the top of your page and click on it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.